Hello everyone, my name's Lizzie and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I own an online vintage business called Burgundy France where I sell 1950s clothes, but quite a wide range of vintage pieces, mainly clothes, a few accessories like handbags and hats. So if that interests you, I'll put all the links in the description box. But for today, I'm carrying on with my Benjamin series. Benjamin is an English narrowboat that is currently moored in France, and I have recently moved on to it and have been decorating it. And well, I restored it mainly last year with my dad and my mum a little bit. Maybe I'll put in a few pictures if I can figure out how to do that, and you can see quite the difference there is between what it used to look like and what it's looking like now. For this video, I'm trying to decorate it a little bit more, add a few more pictures, a few more posters, a few flowers, a few more plants, just to make it feel a bit more like home and cozy, and not just like it's a showroom boat kind of thing, if you see what I mean. More like someone actually lives here. I thought I would take you along for the ride, and you'll see there are a few bumps in the road. I mean, it doesn't look like much, but it's quite painful. If you want to see me get very frustrated with screwdrivers and trying to figure out how to get posters to stay stuck onto wooden walls, carry on watching. Today I think I'm gonna try and clean the brass windows, so I've got some brass cleaner. Yeah, well, as you can see, they're quite dirty. I have tested it out on another one and I have to say it looks pretty good. I'm going to do the inside ones for now because it's a little chilly outside and I'm wearing a dress and I don't want to be outside. But I might do it tomorrow because tomorrow's meant to be quite nice weather, but I'm also painting the picture frames tomorrow, so enjoy watching me clean some brass. Okay, so among all this chaos, I need to find some white paint, a paintbrush that isn't completely destroyed, and probably just like some rags and stuff so that I don't make an absolute mess. Can't decide yet if I'm going to paint the frames white or if I'm going to paint them cream. That one there. It's the same colour as the outside of the boat, which could be quite nice, but then a lot of the pictures are white. I might do a test and try both. For now, I need to get into there and find the paint. Windows. That's grey. That's ivory. Not ivory. Is there any paint in there left? Doesn't sound like it. Are any of these brushes still usable? What do you think? I might have to use some of my nice paint brushes. Oh, I want this. So that I can sand the mirror, because it's a horrible dark blue at the moment. I don't like that. Green. You see this colour? This was going to be one of the colours of the outside of the boat. I was going to do this green / blue and that dark green that it's currently painted, but the second we put it on there we were like, no, this just does not work. But it's quite a nice colour, so maybe I'll use it for something else. I'm still looking for that white. What's this? More ivory. Maybe I'll have to do ivory. I'm sure I've seen white somewhere here. Okay, so I have ended up with just some full-on white, which is my number one choice. And then we have some ivory. Let me find the colour. Can you see there? So it could be quite nice. As I say, it's the colour of the boat. And then we have this greeny colour. Can you kind of see? Bluey green, which is really nice, but I'm not sure it's going to work with what I want to do. Got a bit of sanding paper for, I might actually even sand down the picture frames, but it's mainly for the mirror because that's wood and it's got dark blue on it, which I do not want. I found this, door's closing, which is meant to clean off paint, so we'll see if that can work. Any miracles on this bad boy here, who is rock hard right now. If that doesn't work, I have some actual painting brushes that I use for pretty painting, shall we say, rather than just painting picture frames. So if worst comes to the worst, I'll have to use one of those, but it's not a big deal. So yeah, there's step one, finding all the bits. Okay, so I'm going to try and take this mirror off. I have changed into some more appropriate clothes for painting. That paintbrush is dead, so I've had to use one of my own ones. That's alright. I've got plenty of other ones I can use. Now, let's see. Picture frames were a pain to get off, so I'm hoping this might not be quite as bad. Okay, so here is my room of chaos. I have a few vintage hats because I don't want them to get squished in the wardrobe, but I think the next thing I'm going to do is do something with these dried flowers. So these are actually from my studio, I've had them for a while, but they still look rather lovely. I've got two ideas. Either I do like a few little bunches, maybe 4 or 5, and tie them with some cotton and put them up along the windows in the other room where the studio is going to be, so that they're dangling down. See how that goes. Or I might just do 2 big bunches, and same idea, have them dangle down but in front of each of the portholes. That might be easier because otherwise when I'm walking through the door I might be attacked by some flowers. I haven't actually showed you any of the pictures I'm going to be putting in them. So here's what I ended up doing with the flowers. So I don't know if you can see, so I've got a little string which I'm not going to touch because that took me a long time to get up there. It goes over there and over there, and then like that I've got my little dried flowers just in front of each window, which looks really cute. And then I've got, as you can see, some cute little fairy lights. And at night, that's really nice. I just have these on and a candle, and it's so cozy. And this is perfect as my background for my pictures that I take and videos and stuff for my vintage. So yeah, I think that looks really cute. The frames are painted, just simple frames. Now comes the time to figure out which one fits in which one. And I know some of them don't fit, so I'm gonna have to do a little bit of thinking. That will have to do. One down, 6 more to go. So here is where the 2 big posters are going to go, and then here's one picture that's very wonky, that is landscape, and then I have one there. I think that's going to have to be my big Christian Dior drawing, because it's the biggest one and it's the only frame that fits there. And then I'm not going to go too much that way because you'll see my beautiful lighting setup with a sheet on it. But basically behind there, there's 2 more pictures that go, but they go portrait style, so we'll just have to figure it out as we go along. So let's first decide which one goes there, and then we'll carry on afterwards. They would all be cute, I don't know. Okay, this one I've definitely done wrong. But maybe I can move the thingies, the screws to the other side. I mean, you know, up above, so I could have it this way around. I think I'm gonna stick with this one because I think the colours are gonna go well with the poster. So let's see if any of these screws will work. Spent the last far too long trying to do this tiny little hole, and in the process I stuck the screwdriver right into my thumb, which is lovely because, as I was saying, the picture frames are the wrong way around. And now, where is it? I'm trying to do the next hole, but it's a bit difficult when your thumb doesn't work and you are terrified to stab yourself again. So I'm gonna give it a go one more time Then I only have another one to do just next to that one over there. Look how cute that one looks. And then I've just got to do that one there. And it's going to be my Lady Lou's. So I just need to screw the holes in again. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to give it a like and subscribe if you'd like to see some more videos like this. Please leave a comment down below for any suggestions you might have about how to decorate it, or just suggestions about the boat in general. All ears, and love hearing any kind of ideas on how to make it better, to improve the boat basically. I noticed that my last video did quite well, so thank you so much, and thank you for 100 subscribers. That's like crazy to me. I mean, I had like 23 subscribers and most of those people were my family and friends, so to have 100 is quite impressive in 1 week, in my opinion. So yeah, thank you so much, I really appreciate it, and I'll try and be a bit less awkward in front of the camera. It's because I'm outside and I'm filming kind of in public and everyone can kind of see that I'm sitting on a boat with a camera in front of me talking to myself, and I'm speaking in English in France. So, you know, no wonder everyone's staring at me. I will be posting some more Benjamin content in the next few weeks. I still have quite a few ideas. I want to try and incorporate my vintage shop a little bit more. I think next week might just be a week living on a boat during quarantine, maybe, who knows. But I definitely want to try and show you how I work on Benjamin, how I've set up my little studio, and you know, how I run a vintage business in a tiny house, considering that you do need a decent amount of space to take pictures and to take videos and to store the vintage. So yeah, if that interests you, then feel free to join me again next week. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.